All players. So a judge has rejected the Tulsa race massacre reparations lawsuit. I declare, honey, what a disgrace. Y'all go ahead and grab your tea and have a seat. Let's talk about it. So on Friday, Judge Carolyn Wall dismissed the lawsuit brought by the survivors of the Tulsa race massacre, honey. Now, she dismissed this with prejudice, and this will prevent them from refiling that lawsuit in that district. However, they will still be able to file an appeal. Now, this has been a years-long legal effort to secure restitution for the last 3 known living survivors of the 1921 Tulsa race massacre. Those survivors are Leslie Benefield Randall, who's 108, Viola Fletcher, who's 109, and Hughes Van Ellis, who's 102. Survivors stated in the lawsuit that the city of Tulsa broke Oklahoma's public nuisance law when it failed to act after the white mob attacked the black middle-class Greenwood district of Oklahoma, which left an estimated 300 people deceased and thousands of homes and businesses torched. So they were seeking damages to recover the unjust enrichment others had achieved from the exploitation of the massacre in a previously thriving area known as Black Wall Street, and cited ongoing harm to black residents in Oklahoma due to the massacre. But Judge Wall sided with the city of Tulsa, which they had argued previously in earlier court filings that simply being connected to the historical events does not provide a person with unlimited rights to seek compensation from any project in any way related to the historical event. Tulsa's mayor, G.T. Bynum, said in a statement that the city hadn't yet received the full court order, but he remains committed to finding the graves of the victims and also fostering economic development in the Greenwood district, educating future generations about the worst event in our community's history, and building the city where every person has an equal opportunity for a great life. Civil rights attorney Ben Crump said Saturday that the judge's decision was a miscarriage of justice, and some have stated that the dismissal of this case is just one more example of how Americans, including Tulsa's legacy, is disproportionately and unjustly borne by the black community. Now, attorney Demario Simmons, who leads Justice for Greenwood, told the Black Wall Street Times that the city of Tulsa was hypocritical for using the story of survivors for cultural tourism while denying them reparations. I agree with the attorneys, but I'm going to go a step further. The fact that they even had to file this lawsuit is absolutely disgusting. They should have immediately offered them a settlement, and it should have been a very genuine settlement. Y'all been profiting off of their story for years. It's ridiculous. I'm hoping that they appeal and continue to fight. All right, players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mobile for the Black Accurate News.